What's up everyone, Black Arrow Jimmy here. Today I'm gonna give you a quick video on how I adjusted the chain tension on the Husqvarna Svartpilen 401. Here are the tools you need. A torque wrench capable of setting torque value over 90 Nm, a 17mm hex socket, a 13mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, a 22mm wrench, which I use an adjustable wrench instead, and a tape measure. A quick walkthrough of what I will be doing. Loosen this and this. Turn this to tighten this. Check the position on this, match it on the other side, and screw everything back together. That's it. Step 1. Park your bike in gear to hold the bike in place. The 401 is a very lightweight bike with a tall kickstand, so you don't want to knock it over when you start applying force. Step 2. Loosen the 17mm axle nut. Don't take it off, just keep it loose. Step 3. Loosen the 13mm nuts. Step 4. Check the chain slack. According to the Svartpilen owner's manual, you should leave 5 to 7mm of space between the chain and the swing arm, under this V shape right here. There's a lip on the swing arm, so the actual space behind the lip is higher. When you take your measurement, only measure up to the lip. When you raise the bottom chain for measurement, do not yank the upper chain, or else you'll get a reading that's too tight. Step 5. Tighten the chain slack. Turn the 10mm adjuster screw on the left side, watch the chain begin to tighten, and stop when it reaches the 5 to 7mm slack range. Step 6. Align the adjustment screw. Check the position on these notches, and match the position on the right side by turning the 10mm adjuster screw on the right. Now the adjuster screws on the left and right are pushed to the identical length. You can also measure the screw length with tape measure to be more precise. Step 7. Align your wheel. Rock your bike back and forth, so the rear wheel axle is pushed tight against the tip of the adjuster screws. After you do this, check if the chain slack has changed and if the alignment is correct. Step 8. Tighten the screws. Secure the 10mm adjuster screws while tightening the 13mm nuts. Do not rotate the adjuster screw as you tighten the nut, and when you're done, make sure the notches still align properly. Step 9. Tighten the axle nut. Secure the 22mm axle bolt, set the torque value to 19 Nm, and start torquing down the 17mm axle nut. Step 10. Test ride your bike. See if anything feels weird. Here's an additional check. The chain stretch. Pull the chain straight and count the distance between 20 chain rollers, pivot to pivot. The distance should be less than 304mm. If the chain is longer than that number, then it's time to change the chain, the rear sprocket, and the engine sprocket altogether. There you have it. A 10-minute chain tension adjustment performed outside for my Svartpilen 401 with only the basic tools. Please know that I'm not a professional mechanic. I learned everything from watching YouTube and reading the owner's manual. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below so I can learn. I hope this helps my fellow Svartpilen owners out there. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Svartpilen related videos. And check out my Instagram at Black Arrow Jimmy for my travel photos on this amazing bike. Have a great day, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.